Ah. How are you? I don't know how to greet you. Can we have? Yeah, of course.
Take this off for the photo.
Of course.
Okay. Daš mi je drago.
Vi ste 5 oktobra fotografirali.
Oj.
Ah, ja, vidim.
Okay, please.
So great to see you.
Yes, and you see we prepare the weather even.
Lovely.
Well,
It's raining in Macedonia.
yeah, well, I couldn't believe that there is raining and not here. But I think we went almost the first days when I started at Unga, last Unga, which was
Yes,
2 years
yes,
ago.
that's correct. And most recently,
Well, that was
For
a very
the press
special
photo.
one. Yeah, but just to say, we've been meeting, but not here.
I was here April 2018 to address also the Parliamentary Assembly and the Foreign Minister.
Okay. So you would then be, let's say, familiar with the Council of Europe and Parliamentary
Yes,
Assembly.
and as a young diplomat in '96. Onda stvari pratili Morning.
Mr. Minister, welcome. How are you
Thank
doing?
you so much.
Thank you.
Great to
Whoa,
be here.
Despina.
This lady I know. How are you?
I almost had you. Luckily that I went over you, huh? Please come, Mr. Minister.
Hi, Despina.
How is life? How are you?
Mobile, I'm sending you the questions.
We got a bit of distance here. Voilà.
Thank you so much.
Just a second. This one I can close. No,
Yeah, yeah.
the other one I cannot close it.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
The coffee.
It will be great. Some coffee.
I didn't greet you. Welcome to all of you. Yeah.
Heb je dan zo
great.
links gereden? Zitten. Je just have to see.
What's coffee? Long espresso? Long. 2 long coffees, please.
One espresso for
One
me.
espresso.